Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is Mèimei. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读 Mèimei. Pay attention here. The second Mei, we need to read short and lightly. So we say Mèimei. Mèimei. Yes, very good. Now let's learn how to write it. 我们一起写撇点撇横横横 Pay attention, the second 横 should be longer than the first one. 竖撇捺妹妹 Mèimei means little sister. Amy is my little sister. 艾米是我的妹妹。So, who is little sister or who has the little sister? Comment below and tell me. 你有妹妹吗？或者你是妹妹吗？可以在下方评论区告诉我。If you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye!